To set up alarm clock on Realme GT 7 Pro, first we can open our clock app. You can do it either by clicking on the clock widget in your home screen or just find the app called Clock. Then we can select this plus button to create our first clock. We can change the hour when should it ring. We can switch the behavior to ring once, or ring only on a work days, or we can select custom, then you can customize which days it should ring. Then we can change the alarm name. Go for the ringtone to switch to different ringtone. Then we can change the vibrations behavior. You can switch whichever one you like. And also you can activate snooze or disable it, then change the time for it as well. When we're ready, click on done and our alarm will be enabled.